Farhan, I'd like to ask you, what made you, choose this project? What made you guys decide that we will make a film on firefighters?
गुड आफ्टरनून. सबसे पहले बात ये थी कि ये जो आइडिया था वो राहुल ढोलकिया ने लाया था रितेश और मेरे पास. और जो कहानी थी इस फिल्म की, जिस मिलियू में ये कहानी सेट है, हमने कभी फिल्म देखी नहीं है फायर फाइटर्स के बारे में. और जो सबसे ख़ास बात थी इस फिल्म की वो ये थी कि ये सिर्फ एक एक्शन मूवी नहीं थी. इसमें जो एक बीटिंग हार्ट है वो है द ड्रामा ऑफ द फिल्म. कि एक तो हम देखते हैं ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज़ ब्रेवरी, देयर इज़ करेज, देयर इज़ सैक्रिफाइस, but there is also bravery and courage and sacrifice shown at home by the family and the families of all these firefighters who go out every single time they are called. So it also spoke about the family, that support is important, that feeling of maybe my husband or my wife is going and may not come back. It captures many, many different things. और हमें लगा कि ये कहानी important कहानी है, एक नई फ्रेश कहानी है. और जिस तरह से राहुल ने इसे प्रेजेंट किया था, हम जानते थे, हम इसके साथ काम कर चुके हैं पहले. We know that he is going to make something incredible when he puts his heart into it, and the result is here for you to see.
Maniji, first of all, I have to say, because I was talking about teamwork, your collaboration with Excel Entertainment has actually produced some of the most entertaining, engaging, award-winning content. The fact that you're coming up with another project like this is only, raising hopes of all the fans. Super excited already. First up, how does Agni pushes the cinematic envelope, and what the fans can expect from this spectacular film?
Thank you. Of course, we deeply cherish our partnership with Excel. We've done tons of things, and I'll come to that in a minute. But this is India's really the first film on firefighting and firefighters. And, it underscores the evolving landscape of Indian cinema. And Agni sets really a new benchmark in the dramas that you've seen in this country so far. It's a really inspiring story. It blends high-stake drama with a powerful theme of courage, unity, and resilience, right? And this is something we've not seen before so far, so it's very unique. It is cinematic and visually a delight. Of course, you hope to never be in a situation like this, but when you watch from far, this is a cinematic delight for our consumers. It's also an emotional story. मतलब बहुत emotion है. Farhan spoke a little bit about it, कि these firefighters are not just fighting real fires, but they're also fighting personal battles and personal fires every day. And something that struck with me was the personal fires and how, they're dealing with things we're not used to seeing. I think, and, our partnership with Excel, we've done everything from Mirzapur, we've done Made in Heaven, we've done tons of films together. And now we're coming to Agni, which we're all very, very excited about, and just launching in India, but across, 240 countries in the world.
Wow.